Here are 3 online lucrative businesses that can make you rich with their risk assessment. Number 1, forex trading. Now, forex trading is one of the best ways of making money online. Now, as much as forex trading has the tendency of making you rich overnight, it also has the tendency of making you poor in a single bit. Now, for you to be able to understand forex trading, you must understand technical and fundamental analysis, candlestick patterns, alongside with proper risk management. Now, the risk assessment for forex trading is 100%. Number 2, content creation and monetization. Now, content creation and monetization is one of the best ways of making money online as well, but it takes longer time to monetize. And the risk assessment is just 5%. Because if you're living in Nigeria, it will entail you to have somebody who is living outside the country for you to be able to monetize your page. Facebook pays $8.75 per every 1,000 views. So if you have 1,000,000 views, you've already made $8,750. Now, calculating it using the $7.50 per dollar rate, you've already made equivalent to 6,562,500 naira. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is just a reliable way of making money online just by selling other people's products. And the risk assessment is 0% because number 1, you're not creating any product. Number 2, you're not delivering any product to anybody. Number 3, you can work from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your home. Now, I was able to make 110k in just one single week. I made this money just this week, Friday, from Expertnaire. Now, I want to ask you a simple question. Would you like to leverage on affiliate marketing and generate lots of cash from the internet? Affiliate marketing is not really complicated as what people think. All right, what you just need to do is for you to learn these keys, learn how to sell to people. Even if you don't understand anything about affiliate marketing, even if you're shy to talk to people, there is a particular course that can direct you and that can teach you a step-by-step on how you can actually create a simple affiliate online business that can bring you 750,000 naira or more every single month. Now, if this is something that you like to do, go to the comment section and click on the link, and I'll see you very, very soon. Now, if you love this content, follow me for more because I will change your life. Best of luck.